Hello children, it's Meenakshi Sinha here from Keeping in Touch with Maths and Meenakshi Sinha. Class 10, CBSE, UP Board and ICSE. Arithmetical progression से related questions मैं आपको बता रही हूँ. If in an AP the sum of the m term is equal to n, sum of the n term, it means we are given क्या दे रखा है, एक AP है, उस AP में एस एम इक्वल टू एन दे रखा है. इफ इन एन एपी अर्थमेटिकल प्रोग्रेशंस की सीरीज में अगर एस एम इक्वल टू एन है एंड द सम ऑफ एन टर्म इज इक्वल टू एन, एस एन इज इक्वल टू एन. These are the two conditions given to us in AP. Then prove that the sum of m nth term s n plus n, this will be equal to minus times m plus n. This is the question. किसी अर्थमेटिकल प्रोग्रेशंस की सीरीज में अगर mth टर्म तक का समरी n के बराबर है, nth टर्म की समरी m के बराबर है, तो एस एम प्लस nth जो होगा वो माइनस m प्लस n के बराबर होगा. नाउ लेट्स सपोज फर्स्ट term of the series is equal to A and common difference is equal to D. ये हमने माना पहला टर्म A है, common difference is D. Then SM, which is actually given to us equal to N, as per formula this can be written as m by 2 into 2 times A plus m minus 1 into common difference, which is actually given to us equal to n. It means that n is equal to m by 2 into 2 times A plus md minus d. Clear? This is the equation number 1. Now, Sn similarly Sn, this will be equal to, this is given to us equal to m, but with formula it can be written as n by 2 into 2 times A plus n minus 1 into d. That will be equal to n by 2 into 2 times A plus nd minus d. This is the second equation. Now we have to find the value of this. This is to be proved equal, it should be equal to this. अब इसका फॉर्मूला लिखते हैं, इसका फॉर्मूला लिखते हैं. This is the first case, this is the second case. The third one, S M N, M plus N, S M plus N. This will be equal to m plus n by 2, 2 times A plus m plus n minus 1 into d. A. Okay? This is equal to m plus n by 2 into 2 times A plus m plus n into d minus d. Okay, clear? इसको और इट शुड बी इक्वल टू माइनस एम एन. ओके, ठीक है, ये हमें देखना माइनस एम प्लस एन होना चाहिए. ओपन कीजिए जी इसको. एम प्लस एन बाई 2 that is equal to 2a plus md plus nd minus d. Okay. Now 2a plus md. This is 2a plus md. This is 2a plus md minus d. 2a plus md minus d. 2a plus md minus d. This can be written as what? 2a plus md minus d. 2a plus md minus d. This can be written as per the equation, this 2 times n upon m is equal to 2 times a plus md minus d. This, as per this equation, देखिए इसको यहाँ से मल्टीप्लाई किए 2n आ गया और m नीचे ले गए 2m upon n. This can be written as 2a plus md minus d. तो इसकी जगह हम we can write m plus n by 2 into 2m upon n. 2n upon n प्लस ये लग रहा है प्लस एन डी. 2a plus md minus d. This is remaining इधर. इसकी इन तीनों की जगह ये. In place of all these three figures 2a plus md minus d, we can write 2n upon m. Okay. Now 2n upon m plus nd. Now n further can be taken as a common one. Okay, and can further be taken as a common one. N plus m upon d. This further we can common one. This can be written as nd. M plus n by 2 into n plus 2 plus 2 plus m and d upon n. Okay.